Hi friends, good morning to everyone. Welcome to my channel, Belagali's class. My friends, I am in fact doing a repetition of what? The syllabus, the chapters, what I have done already. Now I am doing examples under 1 mark, 2 mark on integration. I have completed what? Inverse trigonometric functions. 1 mark, one video, 2 mark, another video. And in differentiation, I have done 5 videos for what? 1 mark and 2 mark questions. I think 1 mark examples I have done 2 videos and 2 mark questions I have done 3 videos. Totally 5 videos I have done. After completion of differentiation, I have started with integration. In integration, the first video is 1 mark question strictly. The second video, it is in between 1 mark as well as 2 mark questions. It all depends upon the examiners, my friends. It all depends upon the examiners. Whether that example to be given under 1 mark, 2 mark. Marginal adjustment is with examiners, the friend who sets the question paper. Now I am going to start with the third video on integration. In this third video, I am going to do purely all 2 mark questions, my friends. 2 mark questions. Yes, my friends, once again, it is a PUC second year, 12th standard maths class, integration. Almost all these exercises have selected the examples. Exercise 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, even 7.4, like that. I have selected the examples. And my friends, these are under 2 mark questions. 2 mark questions. Yes. Evaluate the following. Integral sine square x dx. Sine square x dx. I told in the beginning itself, all these examples depends upon trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities, what we have done, a list of the formula in trigonometry. This list we have done main formula, important formula in first year. But the basic of trigonometry is there in 10th standard SSLC. Yes, my friends. Sine square x. We know this formula. 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sine square x. Therefore, sine square x is send 2 to this side. It becomes 1 by 2 into 1 minus cos 2x. Integrate both sides. Integral of sine square x dx equal to being a constant coefficient outside. Integral 1 minus cos 2x dx. Now you know we can write the integrals of this. 1 by 2 into integral of 1 is x minus integral of cos is sine 2x upon what about the angle? Angle is other than x, my friend. Divide by the coefficient plus. Parallel cos square x, you know 1 plus. Plus is always cos square, minus is always sine square. We know that 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. So cos square x is 1 by 2 into 1 plus cos 2x. Integrate both sides. Integral of cos square x dx equal to 1 by 2 into integral 1 plus cos 2x dx. It is 1 by 2 into integral of 1 is x plus integral of cos is sine 2x. My friends, other than x, divide by the coefficient plus friend who c. Therefore, my friends, in case of sine square and cos square, only the sign is different. If it is minus, it is 2 sine square. If it is plus, 2 cos square. With the help of this, we can solve for what? Sine square 1 by 2 into 1 minus cos. Cos square 1 by 2 into 1 plus cos. Then you integrate both sides, you can get the integral respective value answer. After finishing sine square, cos square, my friends, next is one general. The angle is different. Instead of x, the angle is cos square 2x. Here, what is the angle? Cos x. When it is cos x, cos square x, what is it? It is 1 by 2 into 1 plus cos 2x. Double the angle. If it is x, it becomes 2x. If it is 2x, it becomes 4x. If it is 3x here, it becomes 6x. Double x, 2x. 2x, 4x like that. And if it is cos square, this connection is plus. If it is sine square, this connection is minus. Directly you can write integral. This in the beginning, but directly if you remember, what is sine square? 1 by 2 into 1 minus. Sine square means minus. Both are same cos. What about the angle? Double the given angle. If it is x, 2x. If it is other than x, twice that other than x. So in this case, it is not x, it is what? Cos 2x. Direct 1 by 2 into integral 1 plus cos square is plus cos of the 2 times the angle. 2 into 2x is what? 4x. Write the integral. 1 is x plus integral of cos is sine 4x upon 4 other than x divided by the coefficient. Sine square 3x. Sine square 3x. 1 by 2 is a fixed integral. 1 minus sine square means minus. It is also fixed cos. Double the angle. If it is 3x, double means what? 6x dx. Write the integral. Integral of 1x minus cos sine 6x other than x divided by the coefficient plus. These are connected with my friends. Sine square, cos square I have done, where the angle is other than x. One sample in case of cos square, another sample in case of sine square. All these are very good examples under 2-mark questions, my friends. 2-mark questions. Next is integral sine cube x. In this case, we use the formula for sine 3x. We know that sine 3x is 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. We wanted sine cube. With the help of this step equation, solve for sine cube. Bring minus 4 this side, becomes plus 4. LHS to RHS. This plus becomes minus. It is 3 sine x minus sine 3x. Divide by 4. 3 by 4 into sine x minus 1 by 4 into sine 3x. We have solved for sine cube. Now it is ready to integrate both sides. Integrating both sides with respect to x. Integral of sine cube x equal to 3 by 4 into integral sine minus 1 by 4 into integral sine 3x with respect to x. Just to write the integral. Integral of sine minus cos x minus 1 by 4 into integral sine minus cos 3x other than x divide by the coefficient. Coefficient is 3 divide plus 6. Simplified. Minus 3 cos x upon 4 minus with minus is plus cos 3x upon 3 into 4 is 12 plus. This is about sine cube. In integrating sine cube, use the formula for sine 3x. Solve for sine, integrate both sides. Integral of sine is minus cos. Minus cos, if the angle is other than x, divide by the coefficient, divide by 3. This is cos cube x, my friend. In this, use cos 3x formula. 4 cos cube minus 3 cos x. All these examples based on what? Trigonometric identities, trigonometric results, my friends. This is a result we are using, cos 3x. 4 cos cube minus 3 cos x. Yes, bring this side, minus becomes plus. 3 cos x equal to 4 cos cube. Solve for cos cube. Divide by 4. Divide by 4. Divide by 4. 3 by 4 into cos x. After solving for cos cube x, integrate both sides with respect to x. Integral of LHS, integral of RHS. Write the integrals of RHS. 1 by 4 into cos is plus. Don't mistake with differentiation. In case of derivative, cos is minus. But in case of integral, cos is plus. Remember, sometimes the very good students, they do the mistake here. Integral of cos, they remember derivative, they write minus. If you write minus, it is a suicide. Example is wrong. It is cos sine 3x upon 3 other than x plus 3 by 4 into integral of cos is sine x. Simplify. 4 into 3 is 12. Divide. 3 sine x upon 4 plus. This is about cos cube, sine cube. sine square, cos square. These are, looking at the sizes, man, these are very good examples under 2-mark questions. Sine cube and cos cube, 1 or 2 steps more. They are either what, 2-mark questions, otherwise 3-mark questions also. These, my friends, either 2-mark, otherwise 3-mark. It all depends upon the examiner. 2-mark, 3-mark, it all depends upon the examiner. Yes, my friends. This is one set. Next set, my friends, depends on transformations of product into either sums or differences. That list, one more list is there. I do that list, my friends. There are also good examples under 2-mark questions. 2-mark questions. Yes, my friend. This is sine square, sine cube, cos square, cos cube. Fraction of a minute, just half minute. Check. Write it. Write it. Yes, friends, you are seeing another set of examples here. Now I am using another identity in trigonometry. Note, another identity in trigonometry. That identity is, we know that sine 2a equal to 2 sine a cos a. Sine 2a equal to 2 sine a cos a. We have proved all these are trigonometric ratios of what? Multiple angles. Multiple is what here? 2. It is a 2 times a, multiple of 2. Therefore, sine 2a is what? 2 sine a cos a. Reversing means what? We can write 2 sine a cos a is sine 2a. 2a in RHS becomes a. If you reverse it, 2 sine a cos a equal to sine of 2a, 2 times the angle. 2 times the angle, sine 2a. This is your standard example in your textbook, my friend. Textbook, good example. Find integral sine ax plus b into cos ax plus b dx. It is from the textbook, good example. Yes. Now, what is your observation? You need 2 here, my friend. If the 2 is there, you can use the formula. It is 2 sine a cos a sine 2a. To get 2, multiply and divide. It is 1 by 2 into sine 2a cos a by ax plus b, angle is same. Angle is same. It is sine 2 times the angle. See, sine 2 times the angle. What is the angle here? Ax plus b. Simplify. It is what? 2ax plus 2b dx. Write the integral of sine minus cos angle as it is. Divide by the coefficient of x here. What is the coefficient of x? 2a. Divide by 2a plus friend, constant of integration plus c. Or you can write this as what? Minus cos. 2 is common. Ax plus b upon 2 into 2 is 4a. I have written this minus twice. It is minus cos. 2 is common, ax plus b upon 2 into 2a is what? 4a plus c. It is a good example under 2-mark question. 2-mark question. Then, my friends, it is a 1-mark question based on the same formula. 1-mark question. Find the integral sine x by 2 into cos x by 2. You wanted to multiply and divide. What is this? 2 sine x by 2 into cos x by 2 is what? It is sine 2 times x by 2, 2 times the angle. 1 by 2 into sine 2a. What is your a? X by 2. 2 get cancels with 2. 2 get cancels with 2. Leaving x. And you know the integral of sine x is minus cos x. Then what is the answer? Minus cos x upon 2. This comes under 1-mark question, my friends. This is a 2-mark question. If you wanted the practice, instead of x by 2 I have given, evaluate sine x into cos x. Angle is same in this case. What is your observation? Now this angle is same. Angle is same. It becomes 1 by 2 into sine 2x. This instead of a, it is x. It becomes sine 2x. You know the integral. Yes, my friends. These two are the examples based on this formula. Sine 2a. Sine 2a. Next formula. If a is greater than b, a we have taken it as what? Greater than the second angle. Then we know that 2 sine a cos a, sine a plus b plus sine a minus b. 2 cos a sine b, sine of a plus b minus. See, in these two cases, my friends, it is a mixture. Mixture of what? Sine and cos. What is the difference? Sine is in the first place, sine of the bigger angle into cos of the smaller angle. Here, it is 2 times cos of the bigger into sine of the smaller. If sine is in the first place, this sine is plus. If cos is in the first place, this sine is minus. What do you mean by first place? Bigger angle. That is a trigonometric ratio of bigger. If sine of the bigger first, it is plus. It is simply remember sine of the sum of the angles. Sine of sum of the angles plus sine of the difference of angles. If cos is in the first place, it is sine of same. This plus it becomes minus. Sine of the sum minus sine of the difference. Purely cos, my friends, both are cos. 2 cos A sine B, same. Cos of the sum plus cos of the difference. Cos of the sum plus cos of the difference. If both are sine, I have marked a star here. Why? Slight difference. In all the 3 cases, first sum, next difference. But in this case, my friend, when both are sine, first difference, then sine. This you must explain to the students. This is understood, my friends. A minus B, A plus B. Yes. Now I do some 2 examples sample based on this formula. Then 2-3 examples you can try at home, DIY. Yes, my friend. Example number 9. Find integral sine 2x into cos 3x dx. It is an example in your textbook. 1 by 2 into 2. First you have to write the bigger angle. Trigonometric ratio with the bigger. Cos 3x into sine 2x. You need to take and give it back. 1 by 2 to integral. Cos is in the first place. First what? Sum of the angles. 3x plus 2x is 5x. Cos is in the first place means the sine is minus. Sine of the difference. 3x minus 2x is x. Sine of the difference. So, it is sine of the sum minus sine of the difference. Now it is ready for integration. 1 by 2 into integral of sine minus cos 5x upon 5 other than x divided by the coefficient. Sine changes, my friend. Sine changes means what? Plus to minus here, see. Plus becomes minus. This minus becomes plus. Integral of sine is cos x plus parenthesis. This is one sample. These are very, very good examples, my friends, under 2 mark question. Next, evaluate integral sine 4x into sine 6x dx. Sine 4x into sine 6x dx. 1 by 2 into 2. Sine of the bigger into sine of the smaller angle. Both are sine. When both are sine, special, that star, my friend. If you wanted, I make it as a double star. Remember, double star. Yes. It is. When both are sine, both are cos, it is with a cos. Mixture, it is with a sine. Sine cos plus sine. Cos sine minus sine. Purely cos plus cos of the sum plus cos of the difference. Purely sine. Cos of the difference first. Remember this. Cos of the difference minus cos of the sum. First, 1 by 2 into 2. First, cos of the difference. 6x minus 4x is 2x. Minus cos of the sum. 6 plus 4, 10x. Write the integral. Cos sine 2x upon 2 minus integral of cos is sine 10x divided by 10 plus c. Simple examples. They are good examples under 2 mark questions, my friends. DIY cos 3x into cos 5x dx. It is sine 3x into cos 4x dx. Sine 8x into sine 10x dx. It is 1 sin x cos x. Please practice these examples at home, DIY. Yes, my friends, it is another set of examples. Conversion of what? Products in the LHS into either sum or differences. Sum or differences. This is one set, and this is the main example based on sine 2a formula. Sine 2a formula. This is one small example which may appear under what? 1 mark question. Yes, my friends. I give half minute copy. Half minute. Yes, friends. Yes, friends, these are examples based on another type. See, another formula. It is integral sine fx into f dash x. What is your observation? The angle is other than x. You know the integral of sine x minus cos x plus sine x. We know the formula when it is angle is x itself. But in this case, that angle is any function of x. If it is other than x, side needs its derivative. If it is x, derivative of x is 1, we are not writing. If it is other than x angle, we need its derivative side. So, integral of sine fx into f dash x is just to write what is the integral of sine minus cos. Whatever it is there, fx is fx, otherwise anything other than x is there, write it plus. It is integral cos fx f dash x dx. Integral of cos is sine. Whatever the angle is there, you write, provided side must be its derivative. Side must be its derivative. These are examples. Find the integral cos root x upon root x dx. Cos root x upon root x dx. Given integral cos root x is right separate. It is 1 by root x dx. Now, my friends, this is your f. This is your f. Need. What is f dash? Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. This is f dash. If it is f, this is f dash. Why? Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. But here, this 2 is not there. You take this 2, adjust that 2. 2 is down, adjust in the numerator. Therefore, it becomes what? Cos f. Cos f into f dash is what? Integral of cos is sin f plus c. It is 2. Integral of cos is sin root x plus c. Next, it is integral sin cos x sin x dx. Yes, sin cos x. What is the derivative of cos x? Minus sin x. That minus is not there. This minus must adjust outside. Minus. What is the integral of sine? Minus cos. Angle as it is plus c. Minus of minus is plus cos x plus c. This is another one more example. Integral cos tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square dx. Cos f. 1 upon 1 plus x square is derivative of tan inverse x. Now it is cos f into f dash. What is the integral of cos? Sin f plus. If you wanted, you may do this DIY. Instead of sin, I take my friend here. Sec square log x upon x. Sec square log x upon x. What is the integral of sec square? Log x. What is the derivative of log x? 1 by x. It is sec square f into f dash. Integral of sec square is tan f. Same type. This is there in your textbook. The friend may change sin cos. Change. He may give the change. Yes. Try these, my friends. Try this. This is next example under 2 mark. It is a very good example. Integral root tan x upon sin x cos x dx. Root tan x. Yes. What is your adjustment? Sine, cos, you know the friend, you know the derivative of tan x. Derivative of tan x is sec square x. Derivative of tan is sec square. Then, if tan is there, the tan needs what? Sec square. But what is given? Sine cos. Therefore, this sine cos must change into in terms of tan and sec square. Yes. To get tan, divide sine by cos. If you divide, multiply cos with this cos is cos square x. It is root tan x. What is sin x upon cos x is tan x. Right, separate this. 1 by cos square x dx. Root tan x upon tan x is what? Root tan x remains in the denominator. 1 by cos square is sec square x dx. Yes, my friend. What is it? 1 by root of this formula, everything I have reminded, general formula. It is integral 1 by root fx into f dash x is 2 root fx. 1 by root f into f dash is 2 root fx. What is your f? Tan x. What is f dash? Sec square x dx. So it is parallel to 1 by root f into f dash. So what is the integral? 2 root tan x plus c. Because of this formula, 1 by f into f dash is used here. It is another good example, my friends. Friend example, instead of tan, it is root cot x upon cos x sin x. Convert in terms of cot. Cos by sine, multiply sine into sine is sine square. Root cot upon cos by sine is cot x. Right, 1 by sine square. Root cot upon cot is 1 by root cot x remains. 1 by root cot x remains because root cot x cancels with denominator. Left this 1 by sec square is cosec square. You know the derivative of cot is minus cosec square. This minus is not there, you take. Adjust the minus outside also. So it is 1 by root f into f dash. This is f, my friend. This is f dash. This is f. This is f. It becomes what? Minus 2 root f plus c. Again, because of this formula. See, my friend, these are 3 or 4 examples based on this formula. And these are the 2 examples based on 1 by root f into f dash is 2 root f. 1 by f dash into root f is 2 root f. Based on this. Just copy, my friend. Copy. Oh, clear. All these are very simple examples. Simple examples. Yes, my friends, all these are good examples once again under 2 mark. But such examples, my friends, it all depends upon the examiners. Whether they ask under 1 mark, otherwise 2 mark questions. These examples will be what? Either 1 mark, otherwise 2 mark. 1 mark, otherwise 2 mark. It all depends upon the examiners, my friends. Examiners. That 2 will come strictly under 2 mark question. These will come under 2 mark question. Yes, friends. Next is. My friends, these are the next set of examples based on these 2 general formulae. Integral fx to the power n into f dash x dx. Same as what? X to the power n. What is the integral of x to the power n? X to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. No f dash because the derivative of x is 1. If the function is other than x here, fx needs what? Side its derivative. If you take fx to the power n, needs f dash its derivative. F dash x dx is what? Same formula. Same whatever it is. X is x, fx is fx. N plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. This is integral 1 by f into f dash is what? Log f. I have told many times these already under 1 mark question I might have done examples based on this, my friends. Next example is this. Find the integral cos 2x upon It is sin x plus cos x the whole square dx. This example is oscillating between 2 mark and 3 mark. Even the friend examiner may give the same example under 3 mark also. 3 mark also. Yes, I have to simplify this. A plus b the whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Numerator as it is written. But what is sin square plus cos square is 1. 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. Sin 2x. This is 1 by 2 into I have written 1 upon 1 plus sin 2x into cos 2x. But what is the derivative of 1 plus sin 2x? Derivative of 1 is 0 plus sin cos 2x into derivative of 2x is 2. This 2 is not here in the numerator. That 2 is adjusted in the numerator. The same 2 is adjusted in the denominator. Means division. Multiplication, division. Now this remains. It is 1 upon 1 plus sin 2x. This cos 2x into 2 is nothing but derivative of this. Derivative of 1, 0 plus derivative of sin cos 2x other than x, 2. Kx is k, 2x is 2. Now it is 1 by f into f dash. 1 by f into f dash is log f, log of the denominator. 1 by 2 log of the denominator. 1 plus sin 2x. 1 by f into f dash. Log f, what is that f? Denominator. What is your f here? 1 plus sin 2x. So, it is 1 by 2 into log of the denominator means 1 plus sin 2x. Sin 2x. E to the power 3 log x plus 1 plus x to the power 4 to the power minus 1 dx. Again, I am aware of what properties of logarithm. Properties of logarithm. P log u, log e to the power p. I told many times, coefficient becomes power. Again, e to the power log. They are reciprocal to one another. Therefore, it is simply that number itself x to the power 3x cube. You have minus 1. Push it down, it becomes plus 1. Now it is x cube into 1 upon x to the power 4 dx. It is 1 upon 1 plus x to the power 4. What is the derivative of this? 1 is 0. X to the power 4 is 4x cube. Derivative of x to the power 4 is 4x cube. This 4 is not here, adjust that 4. It is 1 by 4 into log of the denominator. 1 plus x to the power 4. For log, normally we use modulus because log of the negative number is not defined. To make it positive always, we use modulus here, plus. Next, it is 1 upon. What is it? X plus x log x. X is common. 1 plus log x. Now you are writing 1 upon 1 plus log x. This 1 by x separate. If it is your f, my friend, what is its derivative? 1 is 0. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. So it is 1 by f into f dash. Once again, by making use of the formula, log of the denominator. Denominator is 1 plus log x. Log 1 plus log x plus c. This, my friends. All these we use this formula. 1 by f into f dash is log f. Now I use this formula. Fx to the power n into f dash is fx to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. This, my friend, evaluate this integral. Evaluate x plus 1 into x plus log x the whole square upon x. Rearrangement, simplify. X plus log x the whole square. This is x plus 1 upon x. Same square. X upon x is 1 plus 1 by x. Now, what is the derivative of x? 1. What is the derivative of log x? 1 by x. If this is your f, my friends, it is f dash. Then what is it? Fx to the power n into f dash is what? N plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 upon n plus 1, 3 plus. Same. X into root 1 plus 2x square dx. It is 1 plus 2x square. Square root is written as 1 by 2. This x is written here. But inside is your f, my friend. Inside is your f. Now tell what is your f dash now. Your f dash, derivative of 1 plus 2x square. 1 is 0. 2x square, derivative of 2x square is 4x. 4x. Yes, my friend. There is no 4. That 4 is written. That is just 1 by 4. It is 1 by 4 into fx to the power n into f dash x dx. N plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. Upon reciprocal 2 by 3 plus c. 2 cancels with 4. It is 2 into 3 is 6. 1 by 6 into 1 plus 2x square to the power 3 by 2 plus c. My friends, in these two examples, I used the second formula. This first, fx to the power n. This, you know, this is x plus 1 upon x. Simplify 1 plus 1 by x. After simplification, it becomes f dash if it is f. F. Yes, my friend. X plus log x to the power 3 upon 3 plus c. This. Half. Yes. Half. 1 by 2. 3 by 2. 5 plus 1. Reciprocal. Yes, my friend. Yes. 1 minute time. Just to write it. Yes, friends, based on this, I want to write, just to do these examples, DIY, yes. This, my friends, I write here, those two examples based on this formula, I copy. Yes, first one. This is integral 1 plus log x to the power 2 upon x dx. Yes. What is the derivative of 1 plus log x? 1 by x. Like this, you must adjust that 1 by x. This is second. I think I have done already in case of what? 1 mark question. Log x to the power n upon x. It is n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Third example. Integral, very simple. 1 mark question it is. 1 plus x square dx. 1 mark. What is it, my friend? Integral f dash upon f. This is fourth example. Integral. This is 10x to the power 9 plus 10 to the power x into log 10 upon x to the power 10 plus 10 to the power x dx. Yes, my friend. Dash, its derivative, x to the power 10 is 10 into x to the power 9 plus. What is the derivative of 10 to the power x? A to the power x into log a, instead of a, 10 to the power x into log 10. It is also nothing but, my friends, f dash upon f, log of the denominator. Next, this is integral of 6x into square root 1 plus sine 6x dx. This also you are writing the same, it is what? 1 plus sine 6x to the power 1 by 2. This is cos 6x dx. This is integral 1 plus sine 6x to the power 1 by 2. 1 is 0. Derivative of sine is cos 6 into 6, my friend. Why? Other than x. Derivative of 6x is 6. That 6 you have to adjust outside. So it is 1 by 6 into 1 plus sine 6x to the power 3 by 2 into 2 by 3 plus this 2 cancels with 6, 3 into 3 is 9. These are same types, my friends, same types. Copy it. I do another set. This, my friends, this is 5th example. Cos 6 root is 1 by 2. Cos 6, what is the derivative of 1 plus sine 6x? 1 is 0. Cos 6x into 6 into 6 is not there. Adjust 1 by 6 half plus 1 3 by 2 reciprocal plus reciprocal plus. Yes, my friends. Yes. These are examples important under 2-mark questions. These are also 2-mark questions. Evaluate or find anything they ask. Find the integral. Find the integral x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 upon x minus 1. You have to simplify the numerator. You have to make them as 2 groups. This is one group, this is second group. From these two, x square is common. If you take x square common, you are left x minus 1. Here you take plus 1 common, you are left with x minus 1. X minus 1 is common. Second bracket is x square plus 1 upon x minus 1. X minus 1 cancels with x minus 1. This is integral x square plus 1, which is integral of x square. Add 1, divide by the same. Integral of 1 is x plus c. Next, it is 1 minus root x in 1 minus x into root x dx. It is another example. 1 into root x, or this can be written as what? X to the power half. 1 into x to the power half minus x to the power 1 into x to the power half. You are adding these two, my friends. Multiplication. X to the power 1 into x to the power half. X to the power 3 by 2, 1 plus 1 by 2. Applying the formula, n plus 1, 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 upon n plus 1 means reciprocal of the power 3 by 2, 2 by 3 minus add 1. My friends, it is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 plus 1, simplify. It is 3 plus 2 by 2, which is 5 by 2. 5 by 2. Yes, 3 by 2 plus 1, 5 by 2. Reciprocal 2 by 5 plus root x, x to the power half, 1 into x to the power half, minus x into x to the power half is what? X to the power 3 by 2. Add 1, divide by the same. Add 1, reciprocal. Divide means reciprocal. It is 2 by 5. Here you have a multiplication by root x, but in this case it is a division. 1 minus x upon root x. This is 1 by root x minus x upon root x. This x can be written as root x into root x. X can be written as root x into root x. Divide by root x means one root x cancels. You are left with root x. So after simplifying this, 1 by root x minus root x. Integral of 1 by root x minus root x can be written as 1 by, you know this, integral of 1 by root x dx is 2 root x, formula. So this is 2 root x, add 1, 3 by 2, take the reciprocal 2 by 3 plus this x minus root x. X can be written as what? Root x into root x. One root x is common. You are left one root x inside minus 1. Now, what is the derivative of root x? 1 by 2 root x. This 2 is not here. Down, that is just up. It is 2 into 1 upon root x minus 1. Root x minus 1. If you wanted, I write one more step here. Yes. I write this 1 by root x minus 1 into 1 by root x. Now, what is the derivative of this? This is integral 1 by root x minus 1 into derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x dx. So, this is 1 by f into f dash. 1 by f into f dash is log f. Log of the numerator, log of the denominator plus c. Log of the denominator plus c. Log root x minus 1 plus c. Yes, it is also a very good example in the 2-mark question, my friend. It is a star example. It is also star. It is also star. All these are very, very good examples. Last example is this, my friends. It is integral root x plus 1 by root x the whole square. It is a plus b the whole square. A square root x whole square is x plus 2ab a b. B square root x whole square is x. Now this root x cancels with root x. It is x plus 2 plus 1 by x dx. Integral of x, integral of 2 plus integral of 1 by x. Integral of x is add 1 divided by the same, x squared by 2 plus integral of k, kx, integral of 2, 2x. 1 by x means log x plus c. Yes, my friends, all these are once again a simple examples under 2-mark questions. 2-mark questions. Yes, copy, my friends. Copy. Yes, friends. Yes, my friends, these are some examples under 2-mark questions. I do few more examples. The only 2 groups left is some 2-3 examples on integration by parts rule. They also comes under 2-mark question. Next is definite integrals. They also comes under all 2-mark questions only. 2-mark questions only. Yes, my friends, in the next video tomorrow, I do with what? Integration by parts rule, definite integrals. Those things I do tomorrow. Tomorrow I am going to finish what this entire integration under 1-mark, 2-mark questions, my friends. Till then, yes, my friends, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Bye, goodbye, namaste, namaskara, namashin. Enjoy, my friends. Thank you.